Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic sleeve block. It's super simple, super straightforward. If you're interested, keep watching. First, we'll begin by marking the starting line. This line is going to help us get our horizontal and vertical measurements. Next, you want to get your cap height. To get this measurement, you need to divide your armhole circumference by 3 and subtract 1.5 inches. I'm going to be using 5.8 inches as my cap height. Next, I'll be taking my sleeve length measurement and I'll be using 25 inches for this pattern. Whatever length you want to use, go ahead and mark that figure down and connect the lines together. Now I'll open this paper and I'll extend my lines. I'm doing this because I want to get the front part of this sleeve and also the back part of this sleeve. Find the center point and connect the lines together. Now you want to measure your round bicep. Divide whatever you have by 2. I have 14 inches. 14 divided by 2 is 7, so I'll mark 7 inches on both sides of the pattern. I'll also get the circumference of my wrist and I'll be using 8 inches. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I'll mark 4 inches on both sides of the paper. Now just connect the lines together. At the top, you're going to make a triangle by connecting these 3 points together. Moving on, you're going to take these 2 points and you're going to divide it by 4. I have 9 inches here and divided by 2 is 4.5. So I'm just going to divide 4.5 by 2 again. And I'll mark that figure down. And you want to go ahead and do this on both sides of the triangle. I'm just going to go ahead and label this sleeve. To my right is the front and to my left is the back of this sleeve. So following closely on what I'm about to do, on this first point here, you want to move on by 3/4 of an inch. So mark 3/4 of an inch upwards from that point. And also on the second point, you want to mark upwards 1/8 of an inch. Now on the third point, you want to go down by 1/2 of an inch. And this is for the front side of the sleeve. Now for the back, on the first point here, you're going to move up by 5/8 of an inch. And on the second point, you're also going to move up by 1/4 of an inch. And on the last point, now you're going to be going down by 3/8 of an inch. After marking all the points, you want to carefully use your French curve and you want to connect the points together. And doing this is going to help us get the shape of the sleeve. We're almost through with this pattern. The next step, you want to go ahead and add your sewing allowance. I'll be using 1 inch sewing allowance because that is what I always use when sewing my clothing. So whatever sewing allowance you usually use, you want to go ahead and apply it to this pattern. Cut the pattern out, and that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.